Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal with Chase Sapphire card easy guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your Chase Sapphire card is activated and ready for use. Open the PayPal app or visit the PayPal website. If you don't have a PayPal account, select the option to create one. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Follow the prompts to verify your email address. Once your account is set up, log into PayPal. Navigate to the Payment Methods section. Select the option to link a new card. Choose Debit or Credit Card from the available options. Enter your Chase Sapphire card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Provide your billing address associated with the Chase Sapphire card. Click on the Link Card button to add your Chase Sapphire card to your PayPal account. Your card may now be verified through a small temporary charge. Monitor your bank statement to find this charge and the corresponding code. Return to your PayPal account and enter the code to confirm your card. Once verified, your Chase Sapphire card is ready to use with PayPal. When making a purchase, select PayPal as your payment option at checkout. Log into your PayPal account if prompted. Choose your Chase Sapphire card as the payment method. Complete your transaction by following the on-screen instructions. Review your transaction history in both PayPal and Chase to ensure everything is in order. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.